Hi Bunny. So your second row of the pattern will look like this with the knit and yarn over, knit and yarn over. And you can see the yarn over will look like this. That's why maybe you kind of confused about where to knit on into it. So basically you can just knit the same way you knit the regular knit stitch. So knit into it like that. That's a regular stitch, and this is a yarn over. It will look like eyelet. It will have big hole here, so you can just insert your needle in there and knit as usual, and that count as a stitch. Okay, so we count them as just as we count the knit stitch, and you just keep knitting until the end of the row. And that's to it. You will see that on the next row it will look better, and it will form into the knit stitch just the way you started out with. Okay, let me finish this row and then you see how it look like. And oh, your pattern should have a stitch that end with the knit stitch, not the yarn over, because if you left with the yarn over stitch, that won't be able to form a stitch. So it have to have end stitch. Okay, so all the stitch have been knitted, and this is just my project, leftover project that I don't use anymore. Let's take a look. So just forget about this part. Look at your stitch. So turn over, the knit gonna turn into the purl, so it will look like this. You see how it formed back to the stitch, all nice and uniform. And the eyelet part will be below here like that. You can see big hole there because I have big yarn. Okay, so I hope that answers your question. You have a great day. Happy knitting. Bye.